When your GoGo arrives, it will be contained in one box. Cut the bands with a pair of cutters and remove the lid. On the top of the packaging, you will find the Quick Start Guide and the owner's packet, which will contain the owner's manual, detent pins, and keys. Once you have removed all components of the GoGo scooter, you can begin to assemble the unit. First, loosen the tiller adjustment knob and stand the tiller straight up. Then place the seat post to an optimal height and use the larger detent pin to secure it. Place the battery box on next, and then the seat on top of the seat post. Attach the arm by aligning the hole and using the smaller detent pin. Tighten the adjustment knob and repeat on the other side. The last detent pin is for the accessory receiver tube on the back of the seat. Place the basket on the front of the tiller and place the key in the switch located on the top of the console. Turn the scooter on and test to make sure that it works properly. If the other color shroud is preferred, then unsnap the console shroud and place the new one on until it clicks. Replace the front shroud by locating the hole underneath the shroud and push up. Repeat on the other side and the rear shrouds. The shrouds are held on by snaps and dual lock tabs. That is the setup for a GoGo scooter. Thank you.